Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to show you how I center a shirt. My shirt has been washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. It's also turned inside out. I center a shirt when I want both sides of the front to look more symmetrical and both sides of the back to look more symmetrical. You can just fold your shirt in half, but if you're going to use a different dye pattern on the front side than on the back side, your shirt might not look symmetrical. I'm going to lay the shirt out flat, smooth out some of the wrinkles, and then I'm going to fold my shirt in half. Using a washable marker, I'm going to make a mark at the bottom middle of the front of my shirt and back of my shirt, and at the top middle of the front of my shirt and the back of my shirt. So I'm just making a mark on that center line both on the front and the back, down at the bottom and at the top. I want to tuck one sleeve inside of the other one and grab the seams and line those up really well. When it's lined up, it should lay flat. Then grabbing the two marks that I made on the back of the shirt, you can either start with the back or the front, I'm just happen to be starting with the back. I'm going to grab those two marks, lift the shirt up, and then lay it back down. You see how that made a line or folded the back of the shirt right in half? Then I'm going to grab the two lines that I made on the front of the shirt and do the same thing. So right now, the middle of the front of my shirt is laying on top of the middle of the back of my shirt. So the front of my shirt is folded in half and it's laying on top of the back of my shirt that's folded in half. I'm going to smooth out any wrinkles just to make sure everything is nice and flat. See, there's the front folded in half. Now I'm going to flip it over. And there's the back folded in half. And whenever I apply my dye to my shirt, the front will be more symmetrical and the back will be more symmetrical. Also, because both of my sleeves are tucked inside each other, they're going to look more similar to each other. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.